Got this one at Wilson. Gonna fix that. Malibu, so we gotta fix that. Fix that. This door jams. It's 2016. Yeah, you can only get in from the back. I don't know, because they put all that tape and stuff on the door for no reason. So we got the 16 Versa. And then right here, this Malibu. Gonna fix this, fix the rust, fix the clear coat, fix the coat. Wilson, we gonna miss you when you retire. I gotta bring one more car to you. Yeah. My Firebird. I want, yeah. Before you retire, Wilson. And he turned the stuff off my door. It might not close back.
Whoever did this. Hold on. I'm gonna say hold on.
I don't know why they put all this tape. Like, you didn't have to put tape all on there. Unnecessary. Unnecessary.
Let me get pictures of my shit at first.
You got them 3-4. Oh, he already getting on to it. Yeah, you know how Wilson get done. It's gonna be done in a day. Wilson. Yeah, it's done.
That's $4. He said that's quick $4.
Oh man, it's $7.50. He quick $7.50. Why not? Quick $7.50. Why?
You never get out of I told you about the YouTube. Well.
Woo! Hey, that already fixed in one day. What's up, Wilson? Look, fixed in one. Already fixed in one day. A fender fixed, painted. Door jams. Everything good, fixed, ready to go. Malibu fixed, trunk fixed, that rust fixed, good to go. They less than 24 hours. Why not get out the car? Oh yeah. Woo! It's raining, wet, raining. Get in this car. Like I said, Wilson done in one day. Can't beat that turnaround. Can't beat the turnaround service. The price with the turnaround service, less than 24 hours, and you get 2 cars done. Come on now. One body, fix the clear coat and the rust on one, fix the fender, all the paint on another one, all in one day. This is why Wilson, man. It's gonna be a sad day when he retire, man. Then I'm gonna have to find somebody else. I ain't gonna be able to find nobody else that's gonna do them as quick as Wilson with the turnaround. You know, we already got a good price. Everything is established. Turnaround, boom, boom, boom. He knocks it out. So, let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. You know, but you know, we, as Wilson always do, he does a quick, fast job. See, I like a quick, fast, good job. Not just quick, you know. It has to be quick, fast, and good, you know. Turn my windshield wipers on. Turn my wipers on. You know. Yeah, but I appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. We out.